you who are not familiar with Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription beauty box, and it runs roughly like $25-$26 a month. But you get like over $250 worth of value of beauty products, hair products, cosmetics, skincare, and so much more. So it's very well worth it. I have been with Boxycharm for quite some time now. The year 2015 to be exact. I always have been very, very highly satisfied with them because they don't give you like sample sizes. They give you actually the full sizes. And I think that's a huge plus. And they offer a lot of exclusives and a lot of products if you're not even familiar with or probably wouldn't even opt to choose. It gives you that variety to expand your beauty palette and your taste on beauty cosmetics, skincare, hair care, and all of that good stuff. So, getting right into it, the first thing that was in the Boxycharm box, and I just admire the packaging. Everything comes so well and neatly packaged. That's a huge thing that I love about Boxycharm. Everything is always nice packaged, and it has this like foam to protect the items on the inside, so that's a huge plus. And the first thing is the Lime Crime Venus eyeshadow palette. And now, in my previous video when I reviewed a wig from Amazon Prime, I was wearing those colors from the palette. It was soft like lavenders and lilacs and pinks. And I think that is very, very on time for the Easter holiday and just springtime itself, because spring has come, and it's time to whip out those palettes, have some fun, and just play in color paints, you know. And it's always fun to play in colors. Don't be afraid. It's springtime. We have survived the winter. Now it's just go ahead and whip out those brushes and paint those faces. And this is the Lime Crime Venus eyeshadow palette, and these colors are gorgeous. And it comes with the protective plastic film. You can remove that. I did a couple swatches on my hand earlier. Just look at those colors. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And I love this. I played in this a day before yesterday, and I enjoyed it. I enjoyed creating like a Barbie vibes, lavender, lilac type of springtime look, and it was just super fun. And the quality is amazing. Lime Crime, anyone that knows Lime Crime, when it goes way back to their velvet lip stains and lip glosses, they were one of the trailblazers, innovators who started the liquid lip stains movement way back in 2012, 2013-ish. And Lime Crime itself is a company that always had quality for its pigmentation, for its stand power, for its formula. I have loved that. I'm a huge fan of their glosses, their lip stains, their shadows. So I was very, very, very super excited to be receiving this. And look at the packaging. It is amazing. It's giving me like the Roman Grecian type of vibes from that Greece type of era, the Roman, type of era. So it's giving me those vibes and like goddess vibes, and it says Venus 3. Okay, and next thing is Too Faced. Damn, girl. Mascara. And Too Faced always has a play of their names. They always have colorful names for their products, and I always enjoy that. I'm always super, super, super thrilled and excited to see what they're gonna name their latest products they release. And I always have been a favorite have been one of my favorites. Anyone that knows me knows that Too Faced mascaras, first it was They're Real, and then they launched Better Than Sex, and that has been one of my holy grail mascaras, Better Than Sex. I go to that, I always grab that, and I'm not really a huge fan of purchasing mascaras. I really don't like to explore too much, so the only thing I really have in my arsenal, my beauty collection all these years, are Maybelline, It Cosmetics, and one MAC mascara, and everything else has been Too Faced, because I am so much of a huge fan, so obsessed with Better Than Sex mascara. So hey, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So when I seen they have released another mascara, I immediately gravitated and was like on total awe. And this one is called Damn Girl. And I'm thinking, and because they included the exclamation point, so I guess your lashes are looking so good. They looking real, like, oh wow, falsies, where? These are my natural lashes, honey. So I guess the type of effect it gives you is like, damn girl. So whoever is in their product merchandise, or is their PR department that does their naming of the products, I bet it's just a ball. But this is the packaging on it, and it's like in a 3-dimensional package. I love it, sleek, and I love the 3-dimensional look. And of course it has the Too Faced in cursive and the Damn Girl on the side, and it's saying, for shamelessly thick and curled lashes, 90% said they saw full arm volume, 100% said they saw intense black lashes, 99% said they saw long wearing results, and 95% said they saw long lasting curl. And it's saying on the description, this creamy mousse formula was developed with a special blend of wilt melting waxes that deliver an immediate full load of extreme volume without a heavy feel. Innovative polymers keep lashes flexible while lengthening and locking in 24 hours of smudge-proof, flake-resistant curl. And the MSRP value is $26. And of course, like I said, this alone covers the whole entire box. The box is only $26 a month, and this mascara by itself is $26. That's why I say it's very well worth it. Boxycharm is definitely a subscription to look into, because you get bang for your buck and you get totally every bit of your money's worth. And I must say, I did try this on myself. It is now like 9 o'clock my time, and I applied my makeup 8 o'clock this morning before I headed out for last minute Easter pickups and do last minute Easter arrangements and picking up baskets and little nice things and for my children for Easter. And I did my makeup before I headed out this morning, and I must say, the mascara definitely is smudge proof, because my makeup is going on now like 13 hours on. So I was very impressed with my bottom lashes. So yeah. Next thing, we have Frank Body Glow Mask. Now, like I said, what I do love about Boxycharm, you always get the chance to try products that you have never, and it's the full size products. And I myself have never heard of the company Frank Body, but the glow mask, I'm very super excited about this, because it's caffeinated, and we do know coffees offer a lot of healing, soothing, anti-inflammatory properties. So I'm very much looking forward to this glow mask. and it's saying this moisturizing face mask is natural and ultra hydrating. It works to reduce puffiness and give skin extra life, glow, and brightness. It's perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. Wow, this box is spicy. Boxycharm, wow. From the mascara to the glow mask. Oh baby, the description, yes, it's giving. And it's natural, cruelty-free, and only takes 5 minutes to work. And the MSRP value of this is $21.95. So that's the Frank's glow mask. So, needless to say, I am looking forward to this glow mask. The description got me hyped. You know, it's really amping me up. So I'm looking forward to see this glow mask do what it do. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. I'll be coming back to let you know. And next item was Viseart Seamless Primer. And it can be Viseart or Viseart. So here we have. And once again, this is another company that I have never heard of until now. But it's saying the Seamless Eye Primer works with all eyeshadows to ensure crease-free and vibrant wear. And that's awesome because I find often when playing with colors, a lot of eyeshadows will crease up on you, especially when you're applying matte color. And to coordinate with the Easter colors, I did a springtime Easter look, and I decided to do like a pink lemonade. So I have my yellow shirts, my yellow matte gloss, and I have my pink eyeshadow, and I have my, of course, white liner, my white wing liner, and I just wanted to do a fun, colorful pop Eastery like look. It's just a vibrant look, you know, to get me in the mood for springtime, because lately the weather has still been quite chilly here, and it'll warm up just a tad bit and get right chilly, and even at times I'm to turn on the heater. So I just wanted to have a quick pick-me-upper and make me feel more springtime-ish, and to coordinate with Easter beautiful vibrant spring colors, I decided to do that. And I did notice the primer that I used, the matte eyeshadows, did try to crease up on me, and I really had to work with that. And me being an expert professional makeup artist, I was able to work with it and compensate. But for those who are just beginners, newbies, and are not as versed at applying makeup professionally, definitely a non-crease primer is the way to go. And I'm super excited about trying this next on my next makeup look. So I will definitely keep you posted, let you know if it lives up to the non-crease that is depicted in the description. And lastly, we have PMD Beauty Silver Pure Makeup Removing Cloth. And I must say, this cloth is so soft. I mean, oh my God, it just feels so, it smells like cotton. It feels like just a downy, like those soft, feathery, like cotton that's like in some of the pillowcases, like soft feather down, like, and it's just so smooth, very smooth and soft. And I mean, I love the texture, and it's saying that it get back to your pure self with Silver Pure, remove makeup and wash your skin with the antibacterial and anti-aging benefits of pure silver, ensuring a clean end to your day. And the MSRP value of this is $30. Just for this makeup cloth alone, dolls, is $30. So Like I said, you're getting way more than what you spend for a $26 monthly subscription. And I forgot to mention the MSRP value for the Visyard Seamless Eye Primer is $24. So once again, you're getting bang for your buck. And that's what we love over here. We love to be glamorous, beautiful, but yet in an affordable budget for all my dolls. So all my dolls can have access to feel their best, to be pampered, to always be able to glam it up and doll up at all times and not have to worry about breaking pink. So that's why I highly recommend Boxycharm to sign up for the subscription. I will be leaving a link below in my description box where you all can sign up for a monthly subscription of Boxycharm. Trust me, you will not be disappointed. So far, all of these years, I was able to expand and build my makeup collections massively from Boxycharms and other monthly subscriptions. But what stands out with Boxycharm, like I said, they have full-size products. All their products are full size. They are not sample sizes, and you get your money's worth and some. So thank you so much, dolls, for joining me for this Boxycharm unboxing. I'm so happy to have you here, and if you have not done so, please subscribe to my channel. That's right, hit that button below, above, and subscribe to my channel. I am so happy to have you and look forward to you being a part of our family, growing a community together where we all focus on empowering each other, uplifting each other while being glamorous and darling all at the same time. So thank you so much, and if I do not see you all and come back on with the upload before, I want to wish each and every one of my dolls a very happy Easter. And let's always remember the true reason for the season, Jesus Christ himself. And for God loved the world. He so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whoever believeth on him shall not perish, but have eternal life. And you know, it's fun to have the Easter rabbits, the bunny, all the little dead hunts and goodies and fun times for the kiddies. That's so fun. But let's always focus on the true meaning, our Savior Jesus Christ, and the true meaning of Easter itself. And he arose, and for that I'm glad about it. And I love each and every one of you all. Be safe and stay safe.